So hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to my new fresh video guys. So today in this video we are going to see all about DAX, what is DAX and why is it used and what are the uses and everything we are going to see about the DAX. So yeah, if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video and let's talk about the DAX. Okay, so basically if we talk about the DAX, so basically DAX, which is equal to functions plus operators plus values. Okay, now what is that, everything we are going to cover. Okay, so basically it is similar to the Excel formulas but more powerful and designed especially when we are working with the data models. Okay, it is similar to our Excel formulas, but the DAX is more featured. Okay, just consider like that. Okay, which is used to create and calculate the columns which is measured in the table. Okay, so whenever we are going to create a table, so basically in that when we have to create the column, so at that time there is an use of the DAX. Okay, now let's move to the next part as why the DAX is important in Power BI. Okay, the DAX helps us to perform complex calculations and across the rows, essential for building dynamic dashboards and KPIs. Okay, so which also supports the time intelligence and filter context and row context. Okay, now let's move to the where is DAX used in the Power BI. Okay, so basically it is used in measures and calculated columns and calculated tables. Okay, now in the measure part, the DAX is used for calculating like total sales, average or the percentage column. Okay, in the calculated column it is used to add a new column for your data model. Okay, so yeah, I told right now that when we have to create the column, that time the DAX is used. Okay, so that is the part here you have shown, and just calculated tables are used to create new tables from existing data. Okay, so that is also used to create a new table from the existing data. Okay, so yeah, this is an simple example of the DAX. Okay, so this is the formula about the total sales, which says like total sales is equal to sum and sales and amount. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the DAX. So this was the part 1, so let's see you in the part 2 guys. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video and let's see you in the next video guys.